What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 Steam Mops in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off today with the Shark Steam Pocket Mop Cleaner, also known as the best budget steam mop that can be found on the market in 2021. If you want to spend the lowest amount of money that will still get you a decent product, this is it. This model comes in purple and allows you to instantly eliminate bacteria and germs from just about any surface in your home. Lightweight and practical, this fella is easy to use and takes up little space. It'll fit seamlessly in any of your rooms and will deliver the power of 1,550 watts, which should be enough for most folks to get the job done. Microfiber wipes can be machine washed and the rectangular head rotates. What we especially like is that the broom comes with various accessories that allow you a lot of different cleaning modes. Shark Steam Pocket Mop Cleaner will heat up in just 30 seconds, and the drying of your floor will be almost instantaneous, which is an additional benefit that you will rarely find anywhere in the product in this price range. Finally, the handle is flexible and comfortable to allow for a more ergonomic grip. One of the objections the users noticed is the slightly smaller tank, but considering the price, we can't really complain about it. Also, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop Cleaner boasts dual steam pocket technology that fights even those stubborn stains. It's necessary to point out that this product comes with the following set of components: a filling flask, 2 easily washable microfiber pads, a rectangular mop head, as well as a cable sheath for quick release. The device measures 51.2 by 12 by 5.9 inches, while the weight is 4.87 pounds. As for the disadvantages, except for a slightly smaller tank, this fella does not have significant objective shortcomings that need to be pointed out. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket, the best value steam mop that can be found on the market in 2021. A basic yet highly effective product, the Shark Genius S500 3D will not bother you with needless accessories, but instead focus on your floor. It's able to cope with all types of floors and sports a reversible cleaning head. So when one side of the surface gets dirty, you just need to turn it to the other side without having to touch it. The Shark Genius S500 3D features the IntelliMop technology that allows you to grab a tissue and release it without touching a button. In case you've spent a lot of time keeping wooden floors clean this winter, with snow and salt, it's inevitable that some parts will be permanently dirty. But have no fear, as the steam cloth does not need to clean the floors for a long time and leaves no residue. It takes about 60 seconds to start producing steam, which is amazing. The device also works fantastically on bathroom floors and tiled showers. As with many steam wipers, you can control the steam power level on this one with the buttons on the front of the device. The water tank, slightly lower than the average capacity, does not come down from the trunk, but a container intended for this purpose is sold as a set. Speaking of the water tank, its capacity is 220 millimeters, and users have the opportunity to choose between 3 different intelligent steam controls. The Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket comes in a very compact design while providing equally simple and efficient operation. As for the disadvantages, some users pointed out that there's no detachable water tank, but given its practicality, this shouldn't be a problem. The Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket comes in burgundy and gray color, and a size of 47.1 by 13.8 by 7 inches, while the weight is 6.4 pounds. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product on our list for today is the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, which, thanks to its versatility, quite rightly took the title of the best multi-purpose steam mop that you can find on the market in 2021. If you want a steam mop that can work on much more than enclosed floor coverings, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is as versatile as it gets. As the name suggests, it features a lift cleaner that can be used with more than a dozen attachments, including a window mat, steam cloth, grout cleaner, and brushes for thoroughly cleaning all surfaces. Like the original Bissell PowerFresh, this fella comes with an integrated sharper cleaner and fragrance discs for clean, fresh scents. Note that the microfiber can be washed. The device also has a power cord longer than 25 feet, and will provide users with a full warm-up in less than 30 seconds. It is slightly heavier than the competitors, measuring 13.2 by 11.14 by 44.7 inches, while the weight is 10.6 pounds. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop even comes with 13 different and versatile tools to make your cleaning as complete as possible. It boasts a power of 1500 watts, which will help you eliminate as much as 99.9% of bacteria and all other unwanted germs. The box includes the following components: a purified microfiber pad, one soft microfiber pad, a water cup, a microfiber towel, 13 tools with a tool bag, a 25-foot power cord, and odor removal discs. Users also enjoy the simple and practical cleaning this device has to offer without the need to use any chemicals on their floors. As for all flaws and shortcomings, some reviewers say it's hard to add water to a water chamber, which has a small filling hole and hasn't been removed. All in all, this is the best multi-purpose mop you can get for your investment. You won't find 13 efficient and practical cleaning tools with others, so we highly recommend it. With this, we've completed all the important characteristics, advantages, as well as disadvantages of this product, so we can now move freely to the next one on the review list. In short, a thumbs up from here. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars to afford a top quality steam mop, we say check out the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner, the best premium steam mop you can find on the market in 2021. Specially designed to make it easier for you to clean after your pets, the Symphony Pet Multi-Purpose Vacuum Cleaner and Steam Mop allows you to vacuum pet hair and debris while you steam clean them at the same time. Cleaning with natural steam power disinfects floors by removing 99.9% of germs and bacteria, so you don't have to worry about dirt and possible infections. Furthermore, the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop boasts exclusive drop IT tank technology that prevents you from getting in contact with the dirt tank when emptying. In short, you won't get your hands dirty. Of course, there are also disposable pads that allow you to immediately throw away your pet's mess as soon as you're done cleaning. But in addition to disposable pads, the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop also comes with easy-to-wash pads that are specially made of microfiber. This will allow you to clean again every day. Thanks to the Cyclone vacuum, all the hair and dirt of your pets will be removed. In terms of power, this mop delivers 1100 watts. Also, there are 3 vacuum amplifiers, where the power for the vacuum is 400 watts. The box includes the following set components: one microfiber pad, a very easy-to-remove tray, a purified microfiber pad, 4 disposable pads, a detachable steam booster tray, and a user manual. Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner comes in the size of 9.75 by 11 by 46 inches, while its weight is 10.6 pounds. As for the shortcomings, users point out a slightly higher price, but this was also expected from a premium quality product. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, after carefully summarizing all the reviews, opinions, and experiences, we can unanimously conclude that the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is the best overall steam mop available on the market in 2021. Thanks to its great quality, excellent performance, and good value for money, the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is quite deservedly won the gold medal for today. Bissell is one of the biggest names in the cleaning business, and with good reason. They get out with as little hassle as possible. Although Bissell is powerful, it's also affordably designed to be economical. PowerFresh steam mops are part of more than a half a dozen steam wipers that exist today. Start by filling the tank and start the steam function. It only takes 30 seconds for the full tank to heat up to the point that emits steam, and the capacity of the tank is designed to be as light as possible. You can move around the house with a 10-meter power cord. For larger spaces like a living room, you should be perfectly equipped to spray the entire area without the cable being too light, so this is a great thing. You should never use a steam cloth on sealed floors, but some steam cloths are designed specifically for tiles or exclusively for hardwood. PowerFresh can be used for granite, marble, ceramics, and more. There are virtually no restrictions on where you can use it in your home. In this set, you'll find a microfiber pad that'll help you clean yourself, as well as a scented disc that'll help you freshen up the little laundry room as soon as you're done. Features on the PowerFresh include variable steam control with 3 settings, a built-in mop head cleaner, scented discs, and a swivel head. Experts at the Sweet Home also praise the tank for easy filling and a flexible head for cleaning. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop comes in the size of 11.6 by 7.1 by 28.6 inches, and in blue PowerFresh color. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.